I am so excited because what I'm about to show you just might be Sofer.AI's most consequential feature that we have released to date, even bigger than transcription, which is crazy because that's what we do. That's what we're known for, transcription. But this might be an even bigger unlock to making Torah more accessible for the world. So let's just jump into it because I am very excited about this. So the new feature is OCR text extraction. For those that don't know, OCR is the ability to take an image and to extract the text from it into actual text that you can edit, search, copy and paste, and actually really use. On mobile here, you could upload an image and even a multi-page PDF, which I think is an amazing unlock. But on mobile, you could even take a picture. So you see something like, you have the option to use your camera. So let's actually, for a PDF, hop onto Hebrew Books. For those that don't know, Hebrew Books is a fantastic catalog of scanned Sfarim. And let's do Rishonim here. Let's see. Hilchos Brachos La Ritva, that looks good. So let's download this. And I'm going to upload that to here. So I'm just going to drag and drop this PDF in. You can see it's 147 pages. You'll see also we have two OCR modes, normal and enhanced. I would say for most cases, normal should get the job done. It's really good. Don't let the name fool you. Enhanced is really better if it's particularly low quality PDF or image, or if the Hebrew is in Rashi script. There, I think you could see our enhanced, more powerful model handle it better, the Rashi script. Otherwise, I would recommend trying normal, or at least using it first. This is great. It's fantastic. So here we go. So clicking extract text. It's going to be uploading, and when it's finished uploading, it's going to take us to our loading screen. And here we are on the loading screen, which is really nice. Is we have this little indicator here for how many pages have been recognized that the text is extracted from it, and you'll see that once it starts going, it goes quite fast. I'm not going to make you stay with me the whole time, but I think it's quite fast. It's really nice, and not 30 seconds, but in minutes, not hours, which for hundreds of pages at a time, I think is a great experience. And when it's finished, it's your document, your OCR document is going to be available in the Your Documents page, just like with your transcripts. And as you'll see, we created a new totally custom viewer for these types of documents. So the first thing you'll notice is you have three options of how to view the document. So the first is just fully in text. This is text right here, not the image. Or you could see the image, the original image, if you want to see it. Or what I think is really nice, side by side, if you want to make sure what you have is correct. I sometimes like even just looking at these introductory pages to see how it extracted these more complex pages. It's kind of cool to see. But let's jump to, the middle of the Sefer. I'm just going to continue, clicking through just so you can get a sense of, we really try to make it that we have a consistent styling, both internally within the text that we are displaying here that we extracted, but also really trying to match the original Sefer. So if it's two sections, like a top section and bottom section, to match that. If it's two columns, we'll match that. So it's really nice. The best way to experience how good it is to really try it for yourself, and it's available to try on all plans. And really just see the accuracy. You can pause the video and at any point and look at side by side and read it. But I think it's quite impressive. And not only do you have the text here, what I think is a major unlock is you could search through your OCR text. So let's see maybe what makes sense to search. This is Hilchos Brachos. So maybe we could take Pachos Mikazayas, see where this comes up. It comes up 5 other times in the text, and we could just click to see where we found it in text. I think this is such an unlock for research. You're looking for ideas in Sfarim. You want to find them. And you could search, and obviously we're just going to make this even more powerful, just like we do with our transcriptions, with smarter search and all these different things coming down the pipeline. But even just this is wow! I'm blown away. I think it's fantastic. It's a wow moment for me. So let's do one more just to show you, maybe so you can see it in a different format. So let's go back to Hebrew Books, and let's browse. Let's maybe do Klali Common, and how about we do an Igros Moshe? So let's download this, and I'm going to put that right into Sofer.AI. So dragging and dropping again, going to do normal again for this one. Let's extract the text and let's see how it looks. Again, here we are back in our OCR document browser. You can look at the text, image, side by side. But let's jump somewhere in the actual Sefer. So here you see again, we really have emphasis on maintaining style. Here we have the 2 columns. Let's look at it here with the breakups within the column, which I think just makes it really nice to be able to follow. And I think it's just going to be an amazing resource for unlocking a lot of this Torah that is in, these hundreds, not even hundreds, thousands and thousands of documents, but they're not really accessible to, classical tools like searching, finding the ideas, so many different things. Even just, again, I like the personal way of, my original reason I want to do OCR is because I wanted to be able to save an idea that I saw in a Sefer, put it into Sofer.AI, and be able to search for it again later. That was my idea. But then once I realized we could do this with, whole Sfarim, and you can look through with different ideas. I mean, I think it's limitless. I'm super excited. I hope y'all like it too. And let me know how it goes for you.